Their commitment to delivering objective, independent, and comprehensive analysis of the crypto ecosystem has made waves in the industry. And now, they've just released a new material that provides a wealth of information for anyone interested in learning more about the crypto industry and the latest trends. This material offers insights into the complex world of cryptocurrencies, providing an in-depth analysis of the market and discussing the latest trends and developments. With Binance Research's clear explanations and simple language, anyone can understand the benefits and risks of investing in cryptocurrencies and make informed decisions about their investments. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. The crypto industry has been growing at an unprecedented rate, and keeping up with the latest developments can be a challenge. But fear not, because Binance Research has got you covered. As the research arm of Binance, they are committed to providing objective, independent, and comprehensive analysis of the crypto ecosystem. Their latest material is an invaluable resource for anyone interested in the crypto industry. In it, they offer insights into the complex world of cryptocurrencies, including an in-depth analysis of the market, the different types of cryptocurrencies, and the benefits and risks of investing in them. But that's not all, folks. Binance Research also delves into the world of blockchain technology, explaining how it works and its potential to revolutionize various industries. Exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency. Binance Research, the research arm of Binance, has been making waves with their commitment to delivering objective, independent, and comprehensive analysis of the crypto ecosystem. They aim to be the thought leader in the space, regularly publishing insightful thought pieces on topics related to blockchain technologies, the latest market themes, and more. But wait, there's more. Binance Research has just released a new material that provides valuable information about the industry. This material offers a wealth of information for those interested in learning more about the crypto industry and the latest trends. It is an excellent resource for anyone who wants to stay up to date on the latest developments and make informed decisions about their investments. In this material, Binance Research offers insights into the complex world of cryptocurrencies. They provide an in-depth analysis of the market and discuss the latest trends and developments. Readers will learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies and how they work, the benefits and risks of investing in them, and how to make informed decisions about their investments. The material also covers blockchain technology, which is the backbone of the cryptocurrency industry. Binance Research provides a detailed explanation of how blockchain works and how it can be used in various industries. They also discuss the potential for blockchain technology to revolutionize various industries, from finance to healthcare to supply chain management. Binance Research's material is not only informative but also easy to understand. The team uses simple language and provides clear explanations, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their level of expertise. The material also includes forward-looking information, including projections and forecasts. While there is no guarantee that any forecasts made will come to pass, this material offers a valuable glimpse into the future of the crypto industry. Readers will learn about upcoming trends and developments and how they may affect the industry in the future. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, but with the help of Binance Research's comprehensive analysis, investors can make informed decisions about their investments. This material is an excellent resource for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrencies or just learn more about the industry. So what are you waiting for? Check out the latest material from Binance Research and stay ahead of the game in the world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.